Hey everyone, I'm Julie Brooks, the employee health nurse here at TCC, and I'm here today to talk to you about the importance of universal masking. Did you know that other than the N95 respirator, most masks are not meant to protect the wearer, but their purpose is to protect other people? We understand that the rules around universal masking and social distancing can be kind of confusing. So to clear things up, we'd like to demonstrate a few scenarios for you that you may be able to relate to.
So in the movie, she starts off as a mermaid. She's a princess of like the big mer king person. And then she visits a witch and becomes a human. But the catch is, in 3 days, she has to kiss her prince or she stays a mermaid forever. It's awesome. There's music, there's singing, there's a crab that does a whole song all by himself. How have you never seen this movie?
As you can see, when Alex chooses not to wear her mask properly, her respiratory droplets spray all over the environment and her coworker KJ.
Okay, in this one, she's a little girl who's trapped in a tower and her hair is magic. It glows when she sings and has these healing powers. So she escapes the tower, goes and finds the love of her life, but we don't know that yet in the beginning. And at the end, he ends up cutting her hair off and it turns brown, but they're still in love. It's great.
Even in the second scene, when KJ tries to protect himself by wearing his mask properly, Alex's respiratory droplets still spray on his clothing, his neck, his face, and most importantly, his eyes, which are known as an entry point for virus particles.
In this movie, it's a bunch of high schoolers that put on their musical at the end of the year. In the first movie, the guy's voice is actually not his own voice. They bring in somebody else. He doesn't sing until the last 2 movies. But it's super cute. They have all this fun choreography and dancing. You would love it.
When Alex wears her mask properly over her mouth and nose, her respiratory droplets do not spray out into the environment and do not land on her coworker KJ. Please keep your respiratory droplets to yourself. Protect our patients and one another. Wear a mask.